Hey, good morning, you guys. It is Wednesday. Mr. Brewer here. So today, I mentioned it yesterday. You guys are going to do a practice exam simulation. Okay, so it's on YouTube and it's at 3 o'clock. And if I could schedule it any other time, I probably would have scheduled it for 10. But AP College Board they're putting it on and they have their time that they're doing it live. And I want you guys to go through the live simulation because I want you to feel kind of the heat of what it's going to be like on May 21st when you take your AP exam. So I just want you to feel that the master teacher is going to go through, he's going to give you some insight on how long you should probably spend writing your essay. A lot of the teachers now are saying that your essay itself, you should probably spend about 30 to 35 minutes writing that. A lot of them say 30 minutes because now they're saying 10 minutes to do the reading and organize the documents, 30 minutes to write it. Well, that adds up to 40 minutes, right? And then you got 5 minutes to upload your essay to the College Board. So watch the video, take notes, and then you're actually going to write the actual DBQ. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. I want you to go through it, write it. If it's not awesome, that's fine. If it's awesome, that's fine. But I want you to turn that in the assignment section today, and I will give it a grade so that I can get it back to you. I'll probably get those back to you on Monday or Tuesday because they take a minute to grade. But it'll give me a really good idea of where you're at. And if you're not at a good place, that's great because that lets me know how I can be helping you at this point. So one thing that I've seen in your DBQs that I really want to stress, okay? You are doing a very good job of putting your thesis statement together and organizing documents to make a point. But what some of you are basically writing your thesis statement and then your first body paragraph, you're saying documents 2 and 4 say this. And then documents 1 and 6 say this. And then that's your body paragraph. You can't do that. You have to say documents 2, 4, and 6 say this, but don't talk about the documents. Don't list them. Say this. You're basically wanting to just list your topic sentence. And I hope I'm not confusing you right now. If I am, we'll clarify it at our Zoom session on Friday. Zoom session on Friday at 10, by the way. You need to talk about each document by itself. So you list your topic sentence in the body paragraph, and then you say document 2, which is explain what the document is, and then you'll talk about POV. It was written by this person, and then you'll explain why that's significant, the why and happy. The fact that it was written by this person is significant because, and then at the very end you're going to say this document shows, and then it's going to bring it back to the topic sentence, and then you're going to move on to your next document. All right. Spend a little more time on each document. Don't just clump them together and say, documents 2 and 4 say this. You can't do that. The reader will not grade you very well. So when you're writing this essay today, explain each document, right? Explain what it is. Talk about the POV of it, the point of view, like who it was intended for, who wrote it, one of those things. Explain why that's significant, and then explain how it proves your topic sentence. Go through all 5 documents, right? However you bucket them. You have to spend at least 3 or 4 sentences on each document. All right, I've talked enough. Turn in your responses today in the assignment section. I will try and get those graded as soon as I can to give you guys some good feedback. Have a fantastic day, and we will see you tomorrow.